In this question, it says ABC are the sides of a right angle triangle. Well, ABC are the measurements, not the vertex, right? And where C is the hypotenuse. I think I should draw the figures simultaneously. Let's say if I make a right angle triangle, let's say I made this be a right angle triangle and I name this, say I name this as ABC. Well, C is right angle. Now, let's not get confused with this C and another C also. Therefore, I should name this, say PQR as the name of the triangle. And the length of these sides are given where C being the hypotenuse. So the C is here the length of the hypotenuse. And let's say the other two sides, the length of other two sides, as I take this as A and the length of the third side as B. Now further what is given here, it says that a circle of, there is a circle drawn over here, a circle of radius R touches the sides of the triangle. So I should make a circle first. Let's say if I draw a circle over here, and I should make it so that it touches the all three sides. Right, seems to be okay. Now I name this point of contact. Say I name this as M, L, and N. This is point of contact over here. Now, further it says of radius R. So let's say if I draw the point of contact, join the point of contact with the center. This is nothing but the radius over here. So this I take this as R as the radius over here. Now, what we have to prove is this. The radius is A plus B plus C minus, A plus B minus C over 2. So the first property we'll be applying is that radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So this angle will be 90 and this will be 90. Let's say this be the center. And this is already given as 90 degree. So you'll be writing this angle as 90 degree and we'll also be writing the. So I should call this figure as a rectangle, and the reason is what? Why it's a rectangle, as I said, since each angle of a quadrilateral is equal. So it's a rectangle. Now check here. In this rectangle, I can say that this side is equal to this side, that is radii, right? And if the adjacent sides of a rectangle are equal, then it becomes a square. So now we got this thing. That means we can write over here MQNO is a square, and the reason is already provided. Now, if it is a square, then we can write all its sides will be equal, and even I can write this as R here. I can write the length of QL should be how much? R. Now check if I have to get the length of, this, what I should say, it should be A minus R, right? This should be A minus R. This is A minus R. And we know that tangent from same exterior points are equal. So even this will come as A minus R. So this is A minus R. Now, if I'm interested in getting the length of this should come as what? The whole length is how much? C. The whole length is C. And this part is A minus R. So this will give you how much? C minus A minus R. That means it should come as C minus A plus R. This will come as C minus A plus R. Now, if this is C minus A plus R, applying tangent from same exterior point, you'll be writing this length as well, same. This should also be how much? C minus A plus R. That is this length. So we got PM here, right? PM comes out to be C minus A plus R. Now, if I say that this whole length is B, and if I just looking for this length, that is MQ, then how much is MQ? MQ should come as from B, right? From whole length B, if we subtract this, which is C minus A, right, plus R. So MQ is what? MQ can be replaced with R over here. MQ, as you can see, it is the radius of the circle. So I'll write R over here. Let's write this is B minus, opening the bracket, this is minus A minus C plus A and minus R. Now keeping R on the same side, R plus R will become 2R, which is B minus C plus A. That implies if I have to get R, I'll write this is B minus C plus A over 2. And that is what we have to prove. But then there are certain properties that you have to write down, the which in the exam. One is this, that is radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. And the other properties that you have to write is a quadrilateral whose each angle is 90 degree is a rectangle. And second, tangent from same exterior points are equal. These are the properties you have to write in the examination.